How you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you guys my Rubik's collection updated for June 17th. And yes guys, I did get back to Pennsylvania. So you can see Nerf wall in my room. So yeah, I'm back in Pennsylvania. So yeah, let's start from the beginning. So first up, we have the Rubik's 2x2. It's a pretty bad 2x2 in general. Doesn't even turn that good because, well, I guess it turns okay. I mean, it pops frequently on one piece, like on that. See, I mean, this isn't a good cube in general. See, it like pops so much. Even if you do like a corner cut on it, it just will explode. It won't like corner cut at all. It's very bad. So yeah, wouldn't recommend that one. Next up, we have the modified Moyu Tangpo. This is a nice speed cube actually because yeah, this turns very nice. Feels a lot like the MF2S actually, so that's why I like this cube a lot. So yeah, next up we have the Lingpo. This is a nice. This is a good cube too. Yep, these are pretty nice cubes in general. Of course, my watch is gonna go off. And then next, last but not least, we have the MF2S, which is my main. So yeah, it's a great cube actually. Actually, it is a nice cube. This is a nice cube, the MF2S. So yeah, very fast. So yeah, now on to 3x3s. Next we have the Rubik's 3x3. This is actually a Rubik's 3x3 speed cube. Turns nice too. So, yeah. Next up we have the Rubik's Void cube. This one turns bad. It doesn't turn well in general. So, yeah. Like, it doesn't even have any corner cutting. Yep. This is a bad cube. Like, I can't even turn it. Since it's Rubik's brand, it doesn't have any corner cutting, so if you just turn a little bit, it won't turn, but then you get it. It's a bad cube in general. So, yeah. This isn't a very good cube in general. This also has a weird color scheme, but whatever. Next up, we have the J.I. Yang Hua 3x3. This is an okay cube. Yep. Oh god. Pop. So I fixed the pop. It pops frequently. But it's pretty loose. Tensions are very loose. But no, this one has some decent corner cutting, I guess. Next up. Oh no, this puzzle. So this is the dollar store big cube, the big dollar store cube, and it turns so horrible. It's like very, very bad. You can't even turn this very well. Well, I put some WD-40 in it, and it still turns horrible. WD-40 is supposed to make cubes turn well, but this one, not so much. It turns, oh my god, locks up so much. Cannot even turn it. And oh my god, it is so horrible. Like, everything you do on it, like corner cut it, it won't do it. Because it's so freaking horrible. Next up we have another horrible cube. This one is the barrel. 3x3. And yeah, this one is better than the big dollar store cube, but not very good. So yeah, doesn't turn very good, but easy to solve if you just mix up this part. Next up, we have the YJ Windmill Cube, and there's actually a real name for this called the YJ Fang Halun, but I like to say YJ Windmill Cube because it's easier to pronounce it. It turns really good, actually. I like the turning of this one. It's a really good cube. So, this is a pretty good cube by Moyu, or just YJ. YJ Moyu are the same company, by the way. Next up, we have the what is this? YJ Speed Fisher Cube V1. This one's V1. Maybe this is V2 because it sounds a lot like the version 2 one, but it's pretty good. Corner cuts well. The full spin is not good. It only gets to like one color. It's not that good. Yeah, so we have the YJ Hong Kong Axis Cube. Well, this is the Axis Cube version 2. And does something like that and becomes shape-shifted. And it's a little bit dusty, but it turns good. YJ/Moyu, pretty good cubes. Next up, we have the T-square one. This is a pretty good square one, but I don't know how to solve square one. I really want to learn how to solve square one, though. Yeah, this is a nice square one. Turns well. Next up is the Moyu cube. I still don't know how to solve this puzzle. I really want to learn how to solve it. Turns well. Everything I want to do on this is just to solve it. Next we have the mirror blocks, carbon fiber mirror blocks actually. It turns really good. I just like the turning a bit. Next up, my main 3x3, the Moyu version 1 or version 2. I'm not entirely sure, but it turns really good. I like the turn of this one. So yeah, turns really good. And yeah. And next to this is the Steelers DN Shang Snake. To this, I'm giving a shout out to Melissa Kornicki. So Melissa, congratulations for the shout out. Gosh darn it. So the thing with the snake, you can do like amazing tricks with it, like do this, like turn it like pyramids, sort of. But yeah, and you can also make this. You can also make a ball with it. Also, my next video, I'm probably gonna time myself by doing the ball and get an average. So yeah, can make a ball out of it. Really nice. My next one's also a DN Shang snake. This one's a red one, but this one is not very good to turn. I don't like the turning of this one very much. I don't like the turning of this one because it's all squeaky. It's all squeaky and doesn't turn very good. But with this one, I got a sub. I got a really good single out of this one, but it's not. But oh wait, no, that's the Steelers one. I got a good single out of the Steelers one. The Steelers one is like insane for me. So yeah, another ball. So that's pretty much my Rubik's collection. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to Video Gamer. And also, And also make sure to click like to my videos. Thanks for watching. And don't forget this. An ice cream popper. Okay, bye.